So nothing explains this story better than this picture right here. The former Rocky Mountain ATV MC KTM WPS whatever team is going down in flames. From this picture right here, you can see one bike. No one working on it, no one around it. There should be 2 or 3 at least, obviously, because they were supposed to be running Shane McElrath and Max Anstie at the St. Louis race, with Joey Zvacchi still out with his torn ACL, but they ran neither of them. Obviously, the report or the release the other day from Forrest Butler that they were still going to be running a full Supercross season, that Shane McElrath and Max Anstie were both going to be racing. But reported right here by Steve Mathis, sounds like the BBMX KTM has a rider, Fast Freddie Noren, to ride them after Anstie and McElrath and some crew decided to walk out. So we already knew that Max Anstie was going to leave. That was announced before this race, whatever. But apparently, just a few hours before the actual drop, well, Shane McElrath said peace, and so did a lot of the crew. And from what I've read and seen, there was a lot of parts returned to suppliers. So this is really not going good. And reported later, about 5 minutes later, hold on, breaking news, hearing Freddie did not do the deal. So even people who are supposed to be fill-in riders don't want to ride for one single race for them. It seems like this is going way farther down, faster than they probably wanted anything to go, and I highly don't see them doing the rest of this Supercross season, much less a new title sponsor coming in. But tell me what you think in the comments below. Are they going down in flames? Are they going to rise like a phoenix? Whatever it is, leave in the comments. Do the fun things of like, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.